Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable IFTTT applets for smart home triggers, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable IFTTT applets for smart home triggers, start by downloading the IFTTT app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and sign in or create an account if you don't have one. On the home screen, tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. In the search bar, type in the smart home device you want to connect. Select the device from the list of results. You will be taken to a page with various applets related to your device. Browse through the applets to find one that suits your needs. Tap on the applet to view its details and requirements. If the applet meets your needs, tap on the Connect button. You might be prompted to log into the service related to your device. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize IFTTT to access your device. Once authorized, return to the applets page. Now, customize the applet settings, if applicable. Make sure to adjust the trigger and action settings as needed. After you have customized the settings, tap on Finish to enable the applet. You will see a confirmation message indicating the applet is now active. To manage your enabled applets, go back to the home screen and tap on My Applets. Here, you can view all your enabled. If you need to disable or delete any applets, simply tap on the applet you wish to change. Use the toggle switch to disable it, or select the options menu to delete it completely. You can now repeat these steps to enable more applets for other smart home devices. Enjoy automating your smart home with the IFTTT app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.